Welcome to Mindset Mastery, the channel dedicated to empowering individuals to achieve their goals and transform their lives. Today, we're diving deep into the concept of turning the invisible into the visible. If you've ever wondered how to bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be, then this video is for you. Our journey towards success begins with setting clear and meaningful goals. Goals serve as a roadmap that guides us in transforming our dreams into a tangible reality. They provide us with focus, motivation, and a sense of direction. Setting goals gives us a clear target to aim for and helps us prioritize our actions. When we set specific and measurable goals, we can break them down into manageable steps, making them less overwhelming and more attainable. By defining what we want to achieve, we create a vision of our desired future. Consider your aspirations and dreams. What do you truly want to accomplish in life? Set goals that align with your passions, values, and vision for the future. Whether it's personal, professional, or health-related, ensure that your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. For example, if your goal is to start a successful business, you might set a SMART goal like, launch a profitable online business within the next year by developing a solid business plan, creating a website, and establishing a marketing strategy. Visualization plays a key role in the process of turning the invisible into the visible. When we vividly imagine ourselves achieving our goals, our mind creates a blueprint for success. By consistently visualizing the end result, we start aligning our actions and decisions with our aspirations. Take a moment each day to close your eyes and visualize yourself living your dream. See the details, feel the emotions, and experience the satisfaction of achieving your goals. Visualization strengthens our belief in what is possible and activates our subconscious mind to find opportunities and solutions to help us along the way. In addition to visualizing the end result, visualize the process of achieving your goals. Picture yourself taking focused action, overcoming obstacles, and celebrating milestones along the way. By visualizing the journey, you prepare your mind for the challenges and keep yourself motivated and committed. However, turning goals into reality requires more than just imagination. It demands action. Taking consistent, purposeful steps towards our goals helps us break through barriers and overcome obstacles along the way. It is through action that we bridge the gap between where we are and where we want to be. Identify the specific actions you need to take to move closer to your goals. Break them down into small, manageable tasks and create a plan of action. Take inspired action every day, even if it's just a small step forward. Each action builds momentum and brings you closer to transforming your dreams into reality. For example, if your goal is to improve your physical fitness, you could take actions such as researching and joining a gym, hiring a personal trainer, scheduling regular workouts, and adopting a healthy eating plan. Consistency is key. Make a commitment to yourself and prioritize your actions accordingly. Celebrating milestones and accomplishments is vital for maintaining motivation and momentum. By acknowledging our progress, we cultivate a positive mindset and reinforce our belief in our ability to achieve even greater things. Celebrate both small and significant milestones along your journey. Whether it's reaching a certain milestone, completing a task, or overcoming a challenge, take the time to acknowledge and reward yourself for your achievements. Celebrating fuels your motivation and instills a sense of fulfillment, propelling you forward with renewed energy. Create a system of rewards for yourself. It could be treating yourself to something you enjoy, taking a day off to relax and recharge, or celebrating with friends and loved ones. By celebrating your achievements, you reinforce the positive behaviors and accomplishments, and it strengthens your belief in your capabilities. Reflection is another powerful tool in the process of transformation. By analyzing our experiences, we gain valuable insights and learn from both our successes and failures. This self-reflection fuels personal growth and equips us with the wisdom to make better choices moving forward. Regularly set aside time to reflect on your progress. Consider what worked well, what challenges you encountered, and what lessons you learned. Reflection helps you identify patterns, strengths, and areas for improvement. Use this self-awareness to adjust your strategies and continuously evolve towards your goals. Journaling can be a powerful reflection tool. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and observations about your journey. Ask yourself meaningful questions such as, what obstacles did I overcome? What lessons have I learned? How can I apply these lessons to future challenges? Embrace the insights that arise from reflection and let them guide your actions. Surrounding ourselves with a supportive community can significantly impact our journey towards success. Connecting with like-minded individuals who share our aspirations creates an environment of accountability, inspiration, and encouragement. Together, we can achieve far more than we ever could alone. Seek out individuals who are on a similar path or share similar goals. Join communities, attend workshops or seminars, and engage with like-minded individuals online. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network not only provides accountability but also offers valuable insights, feedback, and encouragement. Share your journey, celebrate each other's wins, and lift each other up during challenging times. Collaboration is powerful. Look for opportunities to collaborate with others who have complementary skills or knowledge. By combining efforts, you can achieve greater results and support each other's growth. Share your experiences, challenges, and successes with your community. You'll find that the support and understanding of others can make a significant difference in your journey. Remember, your goals have the power to transform the invisible into the visible. By setting clear intentions, visualizing success, taking action, celebrating milestones, reflecting on your journey, and building a supportive network, you can turn your dreams into a tangible reality. Hold on to the belief that your goals are attainable. Keep your intentions at the forefront of your mind, reminding yourself daily of what you are working towards. Embrace the power of visualization to bring your goals to life in your mind's eye. Then, take consistent action, stepping out of your comfort zone and staying committed to your path. Remember that setbacks and challenges are a natural part of the journey. When faced with obstacles, use them as opportunities to learn, grow, and pivot your approach. Stay resilient and keep moving forward. With perseverance and determination, you will overcome any hurdles in your way. Thank you for joining us on Mindset Mastery today. Now, it's your turn to take charge of your life and unlock your true potential. Don't just dream it, make it happen. Remember, the power to transform is within you. Subscribe to Mindset Mastery for more empowering content.